Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to get Google Play Store on Nintendo Switch or if it's possible. So, can you access Google Play on Nintendo Switch? No, the Nintendo Switch does not support Google Play or its services. The Switch operates on a proprietary system software developed by Nintendo, which focuses exclusively on gaming and entertainment within its ecosystem. Unlike Android devices, the Switch runs its own system tailored for gaming. The Switch's ecosystem is built around the Nintendo eShop, where users can download games and apps designed for the console. If you're looking for Android-based experiences, you'll need a smartphone, tablet, or other devices that supports Google Play. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.